Hi, in this video, we are doing the vertex snapping, and I have did this object using vertex snapping, and I have used like these many cubes in order to form this type of figure. So, and I have created some like materials in the scenes which I have used in these particular cubes. And these materials, I have created one brown material and one another green material, but I haven't named it. But so I have chosen another effect over here for the material, and this is how this formed. And let me show you how the vertex snapping is done in here. So consider this cube here. Let's take the move tool, and so I'm considering this cube right over here, and I will show you how I created vertex mapping for it. So press on the V key, and you can see how the vertices are pointing out when I move my mouse. And so you can see that I cannot see two different vertices, so that means the vertices are snapped. And so let's take another cube over here, and so moving like this, you can see that the vertex are snapped. It's pointing out all the vertex. And let me show you how to vertex snap. Let's take out this cube from here. So I took out this cube from here, and there is another cube right at below this cube, and I'm gonna vertex snap it. So I'm gonna choose this vertex, and I'm gonna point this vertex to the vertex over here. So just move this vertex from here to the vertex over there, and I pointed it and I fixed it. So this is how the vertex snapping works, and after vertex snapping, this is how uh, my figure has formed like this. So I have done like a cube with more number of cubes, but I left some space in between to form it like a how you say that, like a hollow cube like that. That's it. Thank you.